Fresh homemade bread without kneading. That's what today's best bread makers deliver. In 2026, they offer features like automatic dispensers, ceramic pans, dual heaters, and delay timers for fresh bread whenever you want it. I tested 8 of the most popular bread makers, comparing performance, programs, build quality, and ease of use. Today, I'm ranking them from great budget picks to the best overall choice. If you're looking for the right bread maker this year, let's get into the countdown. Starting off at number 8 is the Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. This compact, fully automatic machine offers 12 menu programs, giving you a genuinely wide range of options for baking different types of bread and other baked goods without needing anything more complex. You can choose from 3 crust colors, light, medium, and dark, and 3 loaf sizes ranging from 1 to 2 pounds, letting you customize the appearance, texture, and quantity to fit your household's needs. The LCD display makes operation genuinely straightforward, showing countdown time, current cycle, and your selected options at a glance, backed by audible beep reminders and a 60-minute keep warm cycle once baking finishes. Its compact footprint is a real plus for smaller kitchens, offering a full-size vertical baking cavity in a genuinely counter-friendly design. It lands at the bottom of our list mainly because its 12 programs are noticeably fewer than the 17 to 25 programs offered by several competitors. A dependable, well-built machine, just with less built-in versatility. Number 7 is the Elite Gourmet 2-pound programmable bread maker. This machine handles automatic kneading, rising, and baking with genuinely just one touch, delivering bakery-quality bread that's specifically designed to be approachable for total beginners who've never used a bread maker before. You can bake up to a full 2-pound loaf, with 1 and 1.5-pound options also available to fit smaller households or bigger, hungrier families depending on the day. It offers 19 one-touch programs, covering everything from gluten-free and whole wheat to rye, French, sweetbread, pizza dough, cake, and jam, a genuinely broad range for a machine at this price point. What I appreciated most is the compact, energy-saving design. This bakes without heating up your entire oven, which is a genuinely smart advantage for apartments, smaller kitchens, or hot summer days when you don't want to add extra heat to the room. For beginners who want reliable simplicity without sacrificing program variety, this is an excellent, well-rounded choice. Number 6 is the Osipoto 2-pound automatic bread maker. The whole experience here is designed to require zero baking experience. You add ingredients, select a menu from the 17 customizable automatic programs, and the machine handles everything from kneading to baking on its own. That program range covers basic loaves, cakes, whole wheat, jam, yogurt, and gluten-free bread, giving genuinely broad flexibility for a beginner-focused machine. The large 2-pound capacity makes it well-suited for families or gatherings, and you get 3 loaf sizes plus 3 crust settings for a genuinely customizable baking experience every time. The 15-hour delay timer and keep warm function round out the convenience features, and the non-stick pan makes cleanup genuinely quick. Just wipe it down after use. Osipoto also includes specific clear baking time guidance for each loaf size, and built-in overheat protection automatically pauses the machine if it runs too hot, protecting the motor long-term. For beginners who want reliable, well-documented results, this is a genuinely smart pick. Number 5 is the Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA. This machine offers a genuinely impressive spread of healthy course settings, including multigrain, whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. A lineup clearly built for people with specific dietary needs or preferences, not just standard white bread. It uses double kneading blades for genuinely thorough dough development, paired with dual heaters on both the bottom and lid of the machine, promoting even baking and browning across the entire loaf rather than just the bottom. What really stands out is speed. The rapid course setting lets you bake a full loaf of white or whole wheat bread in just 2 hours and 25 minutes, meaning you can genuinely have fresh bread ready to eat in under 2.5 hours from start to finish. A real advantage if you don't want to plan a bake a full day in advance. Running on a 700-watt motor at 120 volts with a 39-inch cord, this is a well-engineered, trusted machine that delivers genuinely fast, healthy-focused baking. Number 4 is the Saluna 25-in-1. With 14 bread options, 2 cake recipes, 4 special menus, 4 baking modes, and a fully custom function, this machine is genuinely designed to cover every conceivable daily kitchen baking need rather than just standard bread loaves. It supports the same 2-pound capacity with 3 loaf sizes and 3 browning options found across this list, giving you precise control over every single bake. The touchscreen display is a genuinely nice modern touch, letting you select programs with a single tap after adding your ingredients. And the transparent lid lets you actually watch the baking process in real time, making it easy to catch and adjust for any issues as they happen rather than guessing blind. Food-grade, non-stick coated aluminum construction for both the bucket and blades adds real peace of mind. And the detachable bucket is genuinely dishwasher-friendly, making cleanup about as hassle-free as this category gets. Between the sheer breadth of programs and the thoughtful automation features, this is an outstanding, genuinely versatile machine. Number 3 is the Naretva 20-in-1. You get 20 customized automatic programs, covering everything from basic and quick bread to French, sweet, whole wheat, gluten-free, potato, corn, sugarless cake, dessert, dough kneading, pizza dough, fermenting, jam, yogurt, and even dried meat floss. A genuinely comprehensive lineup that goes well beyond standard bread machine offerings. The loaf capacity runs from 1.65 to 2 pounds, comfortably serving 5 to 6 people at once, making it a solid fit for families. Newly upgraded 360-degree dual heaters positioned at both the top and bottom of the loaf pan intelligently adjust the baking process for genuinely even results. And the 550-watt motor speeds up baking, cutting total time by over an hour compared to slower machines. A genuinely standout detail is the upgraded ceramic pan, completely free of chemicals and naturally non-stick, paired with an all-stainless steel body that's heat-resistant and durable long-term. Between the extensive program list and the genuinely health-conscious ceramic pan construction, this is an excellent, well-rounded machine. Number 2 is the KBS upgraded 710-watt double heating tube bread maker. The 710-watt motor, notably stronger than the 600-watt standard found on many competitors, powers specially placed ribs designed to replicate genuine artisan-style kneading for ideal dough texture. Advanced dual NTC and PID temperature control ensures consistent warmth and a perfect 100 degrees Fahrenheit rising environment, while 360-degree true convection heating delivers even fast baking with a genuinely crispier crust and fluffier interior. What genuinely sets this machine apart is the horizontal ceramic pan, crafted entirely without PTFE, PFOA, or other harmful chemicals, and superheated to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit during manufacturing to create a genuinely durable, long-lasting non-stick coating on a resilient 304 stainless steel body. Backed by both ETL and FCC dual certification and genuinely rare lifetime after-sales support with 12-hour response times, this is a seriously well-built, premium machine that just barely misses our top spot. And our number 1 pick is the KBS Pro 710-watt 2.2-pound bread maker, the most complete machine on this list. Its 710-watt motor, artisan-style kneading blade, and 360-degree convection heating deliver evenly baked loaves with crisp crusts and soft interiors. You get 17 automatic programs plus a custom mode for adjusting time and temperature, along with 53 recipes to get you started. The ceramic pan and paddle are non-toxic and easy to clean, while the automatic stainless steel dispenser adds nuts and fruit at the right time. It also features a 15-hour delay timer, 1-hour keep warm function, power failure backup, and a large viewing window. With its durable stainless steel build, versatile programs, and thoughtful design, the KBS Pro earns our number 1 spot. Every bread maker is linked in the description, so you can find the right one for your kitchen. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which one you're choosing. See you in the next one.